Severe weather always leads to more potholes on our roads. When water gets into cracks in the road and freezes, then thaws, it can cause potholes to open up, which are made gradually worse by vehicles driving over them. Now the weather has improved, we've turned our attention to finding and fixing these potholes. Did you know that the same people who drive our gritters are the staff responsible for fixing potholes? This team is now on the 2,500-kilometer Perth-and-Kinross road network, working hard to identify and fix potholes and road defects. Last year in January and February, we reacted to 1,074 potholes in total. 706 were given a permanent repair, and the rest were made safe. Most of the existing potholes on our roads have already been identified and are in our system, so there's no need for you to report a pothole to us. If you do need to report a pothole, please bear with us and allow the repairs process to take its course, which can be up to 30 days. We know all drivers hate potholes, so thank you for your patience. We'll repair all road defects as quickly as we can, following the recent severe winter weather. Remember, there's no need to report a pothole to us. The vast majority of road defects are already on our system. And if you see our repairs team when you're out on the road, give them a wave. Thanks again for your understanding.